If you've been wondering how to switch to the old legacy builder in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your default email builder so you can keep using the classic legacy experience instead of the newer editor. This is helpful if you prefer the old layout, want a familiar workflow, or just need to access a builder that works better for your emails. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Mailchimp in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, click Profile. This will take you into your account profile settings. Now, on the profile page, click Settings and then click Details. This is where Mailchimp keeps a number of important account-level options. Once the Details page opens, scroll down until you find the section labeled Default Email Builder. This is the setting that controls which builder Mailchimp uses when you create or edit emails. When you find that option, and select Legacy Builder. This switches your default to the old builder style. After selecting it, Mailchimp saves the change automatically, so you don't need to click a separate save button. That means your preference should be applied right away. Now you can go back and start building your emails using the legacy layout. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or start a new email draft so Mailchimp loads the updated setting. In most cases, the change takes effect instantly and becomes your new default going forward. And that's it, you've successfully switched to the old legacy builder in Mailchimp. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Mailchimp and software how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.